In this third video of the series on bad hair transplants, I present this patient who underwent 3,200 scalp grafts by the FUT technique at the age of 21. Now at 25 years, when he came to me, he has poor growth, gross scarring over the recipient and donor areas, low self-esteem. The patient was depressed. He says he tried to get in touch with the clinic, but the clinic was not very positive and had no replies to his queries. The problems he presently has: the scalp donor is compromised due to the scarring, the recipient area is scarred and will not accept high density plantation. What has he got from this shoddily done procedure? Poor growth and excessive scarring. What has he lost because of this procedure? The patient has lost considerable self-esteem. He has lost precious grafts which did not grow. Above all, he has lost trust in the hair transplant community. 1113 scalp grafts and 300 beard grafts were utilized to cover the bald areas over hairline and temples. The entire scar area was covered. The patient was advised that the wide scar cannot be excised since the scalp is significantly tight. The FUT scar, however, will benefit by scalp micropigmentation, which is the best course for camouflaging the wide scar in his given condition. Thank you.